Hey friends, so I just finished filming a Temu haul. So we're back with like the last one, and oh my gosh, I found so many cute things in the last Temu haul. That's like a storage thing. I've got so much to show you for today. It's a smaller haul, it's not like over the top, but anyways, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we love to unbox the things, play in makeup and all of that. It is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and have a good old time. And hopefully my little kitty sugar dumplings will make a little appearance in here for you guys. But everything that you see in today's video will be linked and listed down below for direct purchase. Thank you if you use those links. They're not an affiliate link, but it at least lets Temu know that I sent you over their way. Any coupons, discount codes, and everything will be down in my description box and pinned in my comment section as well. If you've never heard of Temu, Temu has it all from electronics to home decor to fashion, shoes, accessories, beauty, everything. I have playlists on playlists of a bunch of Temu things, and with Christmas coming right around the corner, I definitely feel like you're going to want to check out the Temu app. They have lightning deals all the time. They have sales. They have free returns, free shipping. They do price adjustments automatically, and I would definitely recommend checking them out. I was seeing these all over the place, and my husband had actually ordered some, and they looked really cool, okay? And they were literally like under $10. So y'all know what they look like, right? Yeah. So I saw his that he purchased, and I was like, I want a pair for myself. They come in multiple colors, and they work. They absolutely work. Now, no, they're not no $500 dealio. You paid like 10 bucks. But you guys, check these out. So I walk on a treadmill quite often, and I just use my Temu headset all the time. And I was like, oh, I gotta try these out. So, oh wow. They definitely, I feel like I'm yelling. They definitely cover more of my ear. I wouldn't say they're totally noise canceling, but they definitely, they're wow. They're not as bulky, and I don't even feel this plasticky part. I kind of like them. Honestly, here's what I'm noticing. Hold on. Okay, I honestly like the way these are gripping my head a little bit more, because that's one thing I noticed with my other ones. Although I love them, if you are a runner, jogger, cyclist or something, the other ones kind of slip a little bit on my head, where these really hug my head and they don't slip. They definitely have a good grip. So with that said, I really like that. There's a charger down here. Now it's like plastic, so it's not like crazy fancy, but I do like what I'm seeing so far. So it came with instructions and all of that. It came with the cords and everything. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys posted on these. I'll start using them for my walk. But they don't, that's the other thing, they don't fold down or anything, just FYI. Are they adjustable? Yes, they do slide out. So if you've got like your head's a little bit longer or whatever, they are adjustable, so that's nice. But like I said, they were like 10 bucks. So, and they came in other colors. I think it came in black. It may have come in red too, I don't know, but I do like that. Next in here we've got some manicure. Sorry y'all, my baby child was leaving for work, so you guys know me, have to go out and do my wavy wave. So Temu, love. So back to this, we got a manicure little box. This is cute. I feel like this would be a great stocking stuffer. So it has a little snap. Oh, these are cute. So you've got like your little scissors. Oh my gosh, and there's, look at that. Hold on, do you see all of that? That's really nice. Wow, I'm thoroughly impressed. So you've got like toe clippers, nail clippers, everything, tweezers. This is really cute. I really think this would make such a cute little stocking stuffer gift. Or if you guys do like friend baskets and you do like a color theme, these came in other colors. So if you got like a purple theme, yellow theme, whatever, this would be really cute to put in the basket. Oh, it's even bigger. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So here's an up close. Sorry guys. There's the up close. Oh wow, this has like cuticle nippers and everything in here. I think this is like for, is it nails and maybe like pimples or something? I'm not for sure, but again, really cute, nice little gift. This is really nice. I'm totally gonna put this in my beauty room where I do my nails, because I do my own nails. This is so adorable. So you've got options as far as the size goes, and I know these come in other colors too, but these, excellent gifts. Excellent, excellent. All right, next in here we've got fashion glasses, which I wear all the time. Some of their glasses, they are kind of cute though. So if you're like going for like, you know, the got your life together kind of look, maybe go with these. They are I think they are blue light glasses. I kind of like them. I'm like 99% sure they're blue light glasses, guys, but I'm pretty sure when I picked them out, I picked them out because they have blue light on them. By the way, I get my sunglasses from Temu all the time. Like, you guys will see me on TikTok. Everybody will ask, like, where are your sunglasses from? And I'm like, literally Temu, and they were under $5 because I literally break everything. These are the sunglasses, guys. I got another pair. I love these glasses. They are straight perfection. I love the size of them. They're huge, they're obnoxious, and I love them. They're like a tortoise color. You guys see that? They are so, I love them so much. Like I said, everywhere I go, I always get compliments on them. They're my favorite. They're my absolute favorite. These I found, and they're literally under $2. Well, they're a lightning deal currently. I don't know what they are by the time I get this video edited to you guys, but yeah, definitely check them out. And they come in other colors too. So if you want like solid colors, you can do that as well. Oh my gosh. I forgot that I picked these up. Okay, so I'm so excited over this because we are having a Halloween party, and I thought these would be so cute for the kids. They're little like, how cute is that? So yeah, I thought this would be fun. It's a pack of, how many does it say? 24 of them. So yeah, I like to make little goodie bags and whatnot for the kids. So we're gonna be playing with those. I mean, these are so perfect. These are one of those things that you don't know you need until you need them, like New Year's Eve type of dealio. Go ahead and snag them now while you can still get them, because I feel like everybody starts thinking of stuff like that, and then when you finally remember to get stuff like that, it's gone. And you're like, gosh darn it. So anyways, okay, so I love these, and you can't, in my opinion, have enough of these. This is a chargeable lighter, so you never have to worry about running out of like your lighters and all of that. You just keep this charged. I have them all over the place. I love them so much. They come in different colors, and again, it's one of those things that I think would be a good little stocking stuffer or whatnot. Or when you're doing like a little gift bag or something, you could get a candle and put this with it. How cute would that be, right? Tongue scraper. If you guys have not looked at the benefits of scraping your tongue, you guys, I highly recommend looking into it. It is a game changer. It's great for your oral hygiene, and you can get them for like next to nothing here on Temu. They come in different colors if you don't want pink, but yeah, I would highly recommend getting tongue scrapers, and they have bamboo toothbrushes too. Okay, so I got this for Cutie Kitty Sugar Dumplings, which is the kitty cat that's not my kitty cat, but slowly, she's literally sitting on my back porch right now sleeping. I love this cat. So I've got her food bowl sitting over there, but she is like a little bit of a sloppy eater, and I'm like, no judgment, girl, I get excited over food too. But I found this little silicone mat. They come in different colors too. It's kind of like a cloud, so I thought I'd put that down and put her food bowl on top, and then that way I don't have to worry about the floor, you know. So yeah, so flipping cute. Temu literally has stuff for your pets. Yeah. Okay, so I thought these were freaking adorable. I'm already in the spirit. Like, you guys, we could skip fall and go straight to Christmas and your girl would be so happy. So these are little outdoor light up not candles, candy canes. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about them. And my husband gets excited over Christmas too. He likes to decorate outdoors. Like me, I just want to decorate the tree. I'm really happy. There's just something about fall, all the mother trucking holidays. I love it, love it, love it. He will go above and beyond. He'll get on the roof. He's like darn near like Clark Griswold, you know, kind of deal. So yeah, I found these really affordable, super excited. This is a repick for me because I've already purchased these in the past. And like I said, I do my own like nails and my own gel polish. These are just emery boards. You guys had actually recommended them to me, and so I picked them up and I love them. And they're so cheap and affordable, you can't beat it. Speaking of nails, here we go. It's Magic Remover. Let me know if you guys have picked it up and tried it, but it's to help remove your gel polish. So I was like, well, it's worth a shot. And you apparently just kind of put it on there and it, I guess, eats it up. So I think you have to actually like file like the first layer off and then put it on, and then it helps to bubble it up. But yeah, they have that at Temu. I'm really hoping that it works really well so I can pick up some more because it's really affordable. Next in here is I think it's a tactical thing. It's a rechargeable flashlight, and my husband had gotten one. Y'all, I kid you not, this thing is so mother trucking bright, and this would make a great gift. Like, okay, it flashes, so I don't want to put it on the camera flashing, because in case anybody has like epilepsy or anything, I don't want to mess with you. But yeah, this super nice, handy dandy. I feel like this is again something that would be really good for a stocking stuffer, for if your kids drive or anything like that, things that they need to have in their car. So definitely check my links out. Definitely pick this up for your kids, put it in their stocking, give it as a gift, what have you. I feel like these are like important things you don't think to give right away, but when you see it, you're like, ooh, that would be really smart. And it does come with like a little charger. You could literally plug this into your charger in your car kind of deal and charge it back up too. Okay, so I got little tweezers because it never fails. Mine always walk away. They just get up, they disappear, nobody knows where to go. So this is like a set of them. You get a set of 4 little tweezers, and they're different, like different styles, but aesthetically they're so freaking cute. Absolutely love that. I mean, the little nicky-nacky things that you can find at Temu is just amazing. Okay, so again, this is a little stocking stuffer thingy idea. Oh wait, no, this one is for the goodie bags. So they're little bouncy balls. My brother and I used to go nuts over bouncy balls. Like, matter of fact, we pretty much collected them when we were kids. So I thought this would be fun to put in the kids like Halloween bags kind of dealio. I don't know. I know I have all like old kids, but it's still fun. You know what I mean? I still think it's fun. They don't mind it, so whatever. All right, next in here, I got more jewelry because I can't get enough of the Temu jewelry and rings. Like, hello. And they hold up. A lot of you guys have even said in my comment section, you've been picking up their jewelry and you love it as well. And I'm like, dude, you can't beat, like, for a couple bucks, you just can't beat it. And I am loving them. So this is in a size 6, which is the same size as this ring. And how cute, kind of similar style. So let me just show you guys. Both of these are from Temu, but this one's a little bit smaller. This was the one that I did have on, but true to size, it is a nice thick band, and it's just a cubic zirconia, but really cute. So let me put them side by side so you guys can see. I don't know, I still like the big one. I still like this one. This one's cute, but I love lots of bling, y'all. Like, let's be honest. So, but you can see it sits up, like, not as much as this one, but hopefully this close-up is helpful for you guys. I need to start getting rings for this side. Oh, I think it's more nail polish. Magic unloading. remove soak off gel. I got another one, so hopefully these work. I'm so excited to try. So anyways, this, once again, it's a professional remove soak off gel polish. So if you are looking for gel polish as well over on Temu, they have that too. That is everything for today's Temu unboxing. Leave me some recommendations of some things that you all would like to see me pick up and haul for you guys, because I love listening to you guys. You guys got me on a mad jewelry kick. So if you are looking for stocking stuffers, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is the place to go. Like, it's better than going to the Dollar Tree, in my opinion. I find more things, and it's the amount of things that I get for the money is unreal. So anyways, let me know down below, what was your favorite item? What are some things you are curious about? As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on my other channels, and of course, check me out over on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh.